Welcome. And this is the Nifty. October contracts. It just opened. Looking at our power of direction, there's still more momentum up. Now a short is coming up here real soon, and we'll just wait until it sets itself up. I'm gonna go ahead and look for a target right here. And let's see what happens on this area here. Now, even if it reverses here, there is a great chance it's going to take a little time to just come down. Everything is still showing us the direction up. Now, the color of the indicators in this video are a little bit different because I am using now a platform that works with Nifty futures or works with any product in India. This platform actually works with any product anywhere in the world. Now, even if the bar wants to come down at the 100% extension, it still says it's not time. It's not time. Having patience, it's very important. Even if this bar is to drop down, it will not come down in a way that it'll still push back up again one more time. That's my point. I'm going to mark this area here. I'm going to remove this. And we're going to wait for the market to let us know it's time, in this case, to go short. But interesting enough, right there at that area, key area, the market has slowed down. Whenever it's ready to go down, it's going to be a significant move down. Look at the curvature already taking place here. But it's still a little bit too early. Now I know that the market always works the same. The same strategy works the same in every product. This is my first time ever looking at Nifty, the Nifty live, but I've done pretty much every other market and it's always the same. As I said to you, it wouldn't come down that much. Everything is still telling you that there is more upside. Now, I am not familiar as to the speed that the Nifty moves, so probably I will pause the video if I don't see much activity at first. Pause the video. That way, the video won't be too long for nothing. But you see, I knew that on this place here, it would go up more. As you can see, these are wonderful. These indicators are absolutely wonderful. Again, this bar is coming down. But even by this bar coming down, and if it decides to come down, it still should go up more because the momentum's still to the upside. If you are watching this video, the odds are that you are not as profitable as you would like to be in the market. And new futures trading, this system, we can coach you, we can hold your hand for the time necessary to get you profitable every single day. I'm going to consider this area here for a position, and the stop loss for this area is right here. It's right here. It looks like that this morning this market's going to come down all the way down to this area here. It doesn't necessarily mean on this run, but we're looking at the market coming down to this area here. Let's pause the video and wait and see what happens. The position is still working. Now, again, if this wants to break this stop, it's going to go much higher. So we do not need to give any more money to the market than this area here if the market wants to take us off. If it wants to go back up here before it goes down again, then this picture would be up here. The BBs would be up here, either the version or in top. This one would be up even more, this one up even more, which means the impulse down would be stronger, which looks like that's what he wants to do here for the time the market opens. And I'm assuming that the market is not open for a couple more minutes, probably 6 more minutes. But I will show you that even if you were to give, if you got stopped out on a trade and you give the market some money, that's okay. You'll get it all back plus much more. Whenever this market reverses to go down, it's going to go down hard. As I just got, this is my first time getting involved with Nifty. In a few more days, as I get more to know its times, I didn't Google to see what time it really opened. You will see some impressive trading here that will really excite you. Okay, as you see, it's dropping. And one thing we can do at this point is to see the possible targets. Now at this moment, the Nifty has hit the 23 retracement from this run, bounced up, and now the hits target should be, the next one should be this blue line here, which is the 38%. And then over here I need to really see its behavior, then the 50, and see the behavior at the 50. And then so you go step by step and you keep assessing everything. One thing with the Fibonacci's that is of importance to you is to, based on the action, and this is something I will discover here in a few days, so I'm able to teach you, is does the Nifty work best from the pullbacks? From the pullbacks, like this would be a run up and pullback here, or does the Nifty work perfectly from the tips to the tips? This is where experience comes in now, and I'm very good at figuring these things out. So then the education I'll provide you, it will be an education that will assist you to be very profitable. New futures trading means a new future for you. It is very exciting. It is very exciting to be able to sit in front of your computer for an hour and walk away with more money than people make in a whole week or a whole month. But this requires knowledge. It requires studying. It requires a mentality that is very calm, very relaxed. To be profitable in the markets, one needs to develop mind over matter. One must have very good control over their emotions. That's number one. Number two is one needs to learn how the market moves systematically. These numbers are important to you. The way these pictures are here, it's important to you. Or any other indicator, the way they shape makes a difference. At this point, it makes no sense to lose any money on this position. At this point, if the market wants to go way up there, you might as well exit. And don't give the market anything. It's not asking you to give anything. The distance from here to here, it's too much to give back because the market is already giving you this. Why would you give it all this back? So they could very well be looking at this as the first 23 and not from here, which means another short's coming from very near. Now what you see here is not a minute chart, it's a tick chart. Every time there is 144 transactions in this chart, a new bar takes place. We're still over here. And drop from this area will put us in this area right here. As you watch this video, the best thing you can do is to pay, just to admire the indicators. And the indicators are saying that we can come to this area. We're just resuming the video. And now we're coming through this area. We've already hit the 23, bounced. So now this should be the next target, the 38. Because it is slow, and if I let the video run, it'll be a huge video for nothing. I'll keep pausing the video. As you can see, now we're coming through the 38, as I said we would. And right now the next target would be this area. The other thing is, it is very late for me. It's 12:42 a.m. And I do need to rest. So I'll pause the video a little bit longer before we'll see what happens there. Now looking at this area here, from the big run, it's a 50%. From this run up, it's a 50% retracement. So what I'm going to do at this time is I'm going to mark this area here, and then I'm going to remove the Fibonacci's. So remove the Fibonacci's. The other thing I want you to notice where this is bounced, it's where this bar has come down, but now it wants to go up. It'll go further down, but this area, it's an important area too. From here to here, it is a deep retracement, and the bar is fib retracement. The bar is responding to that area. See, if you've been to the classes, and if you have listened to some of the videos, you've seen these are important areas here short term right now. And now we've hit this area, and there is more down. There is more down. There is quite a bit more down here. However, it is late for me. I need some rest so I can attend to my students in the market in the morning. But what I wanted to do is just to show you that our system works no matter what you trade. And it works using very, very small stops. I'm going to finish this video. Like I said, there's more down to go. And but please forgive me. I do need to get some rest. And if you are watching this in the morning, I just wish you lots of success in what you're doing in the market. Thank you for listening.